Greetings to everyone. I am Kavipriya, Assistant Professor from the SNS College of Applied Science. I am proud to be a part of incredible SNS institution family, where the education meets innovation and ideas become an impact. Our vision to be a world-class institution fostering innovations and excellence and social impact. Our mission to empower the individual through the education, research and entrepreneurship. And our heartbeat is from chaos to creations. So today, dear dreamers, I invite you to travel with me through the epic saga of SNS, a story where everywhere mentor and every mentee become a hero of excellence. Our vision to build an entrepreneur mindset through our design thinking framework. Our tagline, redesigning a common mindset, a common and business towards the excellence. Our culture, purpose, process, people. To focus a quality education in SNS, we strive to touch every lead of the world we live in through the design thinking. We focus on our focus a quality education in SNS. We strive to touch every lead of the world we live in through the design thinking. We focus on delivering a quality of education by providing an effective learning environment and the innovations who fix in a real social needs and issues. Here, the innovations are not just an engineers. We deliver an entrepreneurs, fostering their creativity and by providing the appropriate sea of mechanism through the design thinking to bring their ideas and imaginaries to into the life. Our story begins in the time of challenges, the world of confusion, where the ideas floated aimlessly and the system struggled for a direction. Here, the light appeared where the design thinking is a torch of our transformation. That is, through empathy and imagination, it taught us to listen, observe, to create. Purpose gave us direction, process gave us structure, and people, our mentor and mentees gave us life. I still remember a mentor guiding a student to build an health app and another team designing a medical innovations, step by step with the parents and patients. That is when I realized SNS is just an institution, a project-based learning and teaching practices and support a scholarship of teaching and learning in improving the practice of learning in the moment. CLT goal and encourage the collaboration and goodwill among the faculties and staff to ongoing the contribution to the college community. Center for Creativity is a growing focus on enterprise and leadership in creativity. And innovation make an SNS a natural new host. So we create a creative leadership and problem solving as a critical skill that can be learned and supported with the cutting edge framework and processing technique, digital tools and developed by a center and underpinned by interdisciplinary theories. CFC activities are DT Bootcamp, Innovation Challenge, Innovation Capacity Building, Consultancy with an Industry, Angel Investors, Foreign Exchange Program, Patent and Journals, Startup Creators. IIPC identified the industrial expectation and program institutional preparations for meeting industrial need and facilitating sponsored seminars, workers and various industrial training programs including institute partnership reflect the equipped faculties to practices and student industrial related providing exposure to the current industry practices like their skill to adapt changing the technologies and focusing of IIPC to interact the light industries around the Coimbatore. Extent of effort, it has established the industries with across the country in the future. So it facilitating the project, seminars, workshop and various other industrial training programs also. Hospital students help students to grow personally in their context of their career and personal goals, help students to develop a strong ties and professional they can trust or ask for advice and foster their own networking challenges, get an inside view of medical industry, hospital, gain valuable skill and knowledge, will provide an industrial exposure the student as well as developer their career as students initially get their consult. Growth and innovations areas involved 7+ event innovative ideas plus 15 industry club, Gen A establishment, that is for teaching, roadmap, certification and talent, health, robotics and automation. So additive manufacturing also. Learning approach, the space accelerate learning through the cutting edge technology, collaborative innovations, and Gen A integrate the AI tools into the teaching and certifications and health applications at all. So innovations in 7+7 model with the 15 industry club fosters a learning in diverse field with robotic and sustainability. So activities are lab sessions to develop their health, tends to protect us, and outcomes about protect us, and hackathons to prototype a startup, an international exchange program for global activities, and students master advanced technologies, and for example a team might use an Gen AI to refine the telemedicine app also, learning data analytics and AI development in real time. Here excellence in creations are innovation areas involved in smart OKR also, specific, measurable and achievable relevant time bound goals. So progress are achievement of 1000 AI startup in 10-year mission and growth mindset, health tech and entrepreneurship, business innovations at all. Learning approaches, the space focus about goal driving learning using a smart OKR to progress and track achievements, a leaderboard and mind. There are 1000 AI startup missions teach entrepreneurial skill, while growth mindset encourage the students, and feedback integrations also involved. Activities are setting a personal OKR for the project, incubating the startup at a high level. Outcomes about student achievement and excellence and social impact also. Startup reaching 10,000 users could teach marketing and scaling and ethical considerations also. So total outcome is skill and development, interdisciplinary learning,